Hi friends, thank you so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Alyssa, and today we're making the easiest little folio here. This one I made in a Halloween theme, but we're going to do a different theme for today. So this folio here measures 5 inches across by 6 inches tall, and I did not even do anything to the front. As you can see, I just tied this twine around it, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to slide it off now and just show you what the inside looks like. This paper is from the Boo Paper Pad by Park Lane, and I just love all of the jack-o'-lanterns on there. But it just opens up like so, and there's pockets and tons of spaces in here for goodies. So, I mean, you could even put something on this panel, but I chose not to. So on this side here, I just foam taped this little tag down on the flap portion. And then you've got two big pockets on these two panels here and a little tuck spot right here. So I've got Trick or Treat on my tuck spot, and I just stuck this little scrap paper behind it. And you can see the big pocket in the back. It just has a bigger journaling card and one of these tags that you can write on the inside. And then over on this side, just another big pocket. So I've got a journaling card, a little golden doily here with some bats, and a tarot card. And then I also stuck a little bat sticker on the pocket here. And so that's pretty much it for this simple little folio. You could use one 12 by 12 sheet to create this, but if you want different patterns and things like that, then you don't have to. So let's go ahead and grab some paper and we can make one of these together. So today I'm going to be using single-sided paper. For the Halloween folio, I did use double-sided. So either one, whatever you want to use, you can use. But this paper here is going to be 12 inches across by 6 inches. So what we're going to do is line it up at the 12-inch side here, and we're going to score it at 4.5 and 9.5. So 4.5 and 9.5. And so we're just going to fold both sides inward like so. And that's basically it for the base of the folio, at least. So we can put this aside, and then we're just going to need one more sheet of paper. And this one here is going to measure 12 inches across by 4 inches tall. So I will flip mine over, and we're just going to line it up again at the 12-inch side. And this one we're going to score at 3 and 7.5. So 3 and 7.5. And then I'm going to just flip mine back to the patterned side, and again, just fold these two sides inward. Okay, so this is how we want our paper to look. We want this little 3-inch section to be on the left. So here's our base, and we're just going to take this paper. This is going to get folded down eventually and glued down for a tuck spot. And then we're just going to place this paper right over top. And then these will just be our larger pockets in the back. So that's pretty much it. Now we just have to glue everything down. So I'm going to start over here and just pop some glue at the bottom and bring this over for a little tuck spot. So I guess this project specifically would be better for double-sided paper, but totally fine if you don't have it. I'm just probably going to cover this up with a scrap. So there's our little tuck spot. And then when I go to glue this paper down for my pockets, I'm going to just flip it over, and I just pop some glue on two sides here and the bottom so that this part here is still open, so you can still like easily slide things inside of this back pocket. But that's just what I like to do. You can always glue your pockets down however you like. So again, I'll just do the left side and then the bottom. So you could even pop some glue along the score line here as well, just to differentiate your pockets, but I just leave it as is. Why not? And then just place this right on top. And then of course, just make sure everything can close up nicely, and it does. So that's really it for the folio. Now for this part here, if you're using single-sided paper, this does measure 3 inches by 4 inches. So a 3x4 journaling card or cutout would go great here. So actually, let me see if I have one in my stash. So I have this one that says thank you. So I might as well just use that. And I'll just glue this down completely. But hey, you could even make another pocket, like on the side here or even at the top. Okay. And I forgot to mention too that I did corner round, well, the flap here, but I also corner rounded my pockets, like here and then here. So if you want to do something like that too, just do that before you glue everything down. And now you can just have fun filling this up with some goodies. And 4x6 journaling cards will fit nicely in these bigger back pockets. So I'm going to do that. Of course, they will be sticking out at the top a little bit there, as you can see, but as long as you don't mind that, then 4x6 cards will fit perfectly in there, or photos. You can stick all kinds of ephemera pieces or things for your friends to use in their journaling. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I have some little ticket stickers here. You've seen this paper if you watch my videos. I use these a lot. Here is a super cute little envelope that I'm just gonna put in my tuck spot. Probably like that. And then you can even go through your scraps and create other pockets on this side here, or do like a tuck spot in the corner, whatever you want to do. Or you can just decorate your pocket and put some stickers on it. So actually, I'm going to just glue the corner here and use this sticker as a little tuck spot. So maybe I'll put it about there. And I want to make sure that it can still close up there. So there's that. And I'll let that dry, but I'm going to find something to tuck underneath. Perhaps this 3x4 journaling card. Okay, yeah, I need to wait for that to dry, but that's going to be cute tucked under there, and it says choose happy. What else can I do? On this little flap here, I think I'm just going to stick this smaller journaling card. And I mean, you can write your note to whoever you're giving this to. I think that's so cute. So I think I'm just going to bring in some washi tape to attach this. And then I'm going to add this butterfly sticker somewhere. Actually, maybe I'll just put it up here. And then down below, I could just put a flower. And you could just make such a cute little spread. I love how this is turning out. But now I'm just going to close it up and kind of see if there's something I should do on this panel or if I should just tie it shut. You could also put a Velcro dot. It would have to go like here and close it up with a Velcro dot. But sometimes it's just cute to tie a pretty ribbon or something around your project. I'm going to just take this gold stretchy string that I have and I might do this where I wrap it around and then tie it. I'll just tie a little bow. So I think that's going to be it for this one. And it would even be cute too if you wanted to add some beads or charms on your string, depending on what kind of string you're using. So that's also a nice idea. Anyway, I hope that you all have enjoyed this fun, easy folio project today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration. Leave me a comment and say hi, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!